ZENA stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is ZenaTech stock a buy? Well, I'll be breaking this down in this quick and short 1-minute video. Especially looking at ZENA, I'm looking to take it further up and buy more, but this is not going to be me randomly buying or anything. So how things are currently looking like is, well, I got double break and I was like, okay, I'm in. And then boom, the price, you can see it's just kind of hovering around my SL point. The moment I see a second break beneath 464, then I'm going to be recording this as a -1R, right? So close though, so close. There's still a little bit hope. But it's part of trading. I mean, welcome to trading. Sometimes it's not going to go according to the plan, and it's totally fair. It's not over yet though, you know, it's just like, because it just tapped it, like didn't really puncture through it. Still good to go. And you can see like right now, yes, we're $5, but at the point it was like 223 when I was looking to take it up, and there was just some great deliveries back then. But yeah, I'm looking to still double down, right? Even if I got taken out, like if there is like a proper shift of confirmation, we'll look to take it up. It just, this timing could be off, which is again, welcome to trading. Inevitable, you're gonna get losses. So if you want to get free stock picks, emails, and insights to stay tuned and make more, click the first link in the description. Like I said, it's free.